welcome back to my channel. It's me, Prapti, and I hope you all have already subscribed to my channel. If not, wait क्यों कर रहे हो यार? Subscribe कर दो. So today is a day in my life video, and very sad to say that it's going to be like very hectic and very messy because today is my best friend's birthday, like Mudita's birthday. If you all haven't seen previous vlogs, then you may not know who is Mudita. But she's like my very good school friend, and yesterday I got to know that today is her birthday. I had forgotten about it. I'm sorry, Mudita, but yeah. So now today, like at 2 o'clock, we have to meet. So before that, now it's like something 11. So now I'm planning to go to Hill Road to buy something for her, like for a gift for her. So let's just get started. Yeah, I am back from Hill Road, and when I went, everything was actually closed, and I didn't got much stuff. Like I had to wait, so I went to Miniso. Like obviously, every time I go there for some time, and then I find this cute little purple color sheet mask, which is like an super hydrating and all. So I thought that I can give this to her. So this is the mini bag and all the stuff that I could get over there. A clock clip, like the color is quite cute, like it's baby pink and it's had some orange things going on, so I thought this would be very cute. And the two earrings I bought, let me show it here. So this one, because only one shop was like open over there, so I bought the earrings. And this one, and I literally love this one so much that I bought this for myself, and it's like this, which is very pretty. So I could only get this much, and I think I also have one more sheet mask. So I am like, should I give that also or no? Because I don't know whether she uses it or no. Yeah, but fine. The gift is ready, and now I have to get ready. Firstly, let me show you what I'm wearing. This is my outfit. This is like a mini kurta. She told me to wear kurta, so I'm wearing this, and I'll show you all the entire outfit just like. So yeah, this is my entire outfit. Looks like the jeans cargo is very pretty, and I got this also from Hill Road only for 400. Like yeah. So she's giving me a treat in Linking Road. There's some new cafe which I started, so we are going there. So for that, I'm just doing my basic makeup, which is not going to be basic. So let's just get started. Yeah, I need to tie my hair back and see this. This is like very cute design, which is from outside, and it's only for 50 rupees from Zudio. This is like very good. And now I'll just quickly do my makeup. Ready like this. I was like planning to put a bindi, but now I am like, no, it's fine. Like it's looking Indo-Western, and my kurti is not that much type of kurti. Okay, whatever. So in short, I am ready, and I'm waiting for Mudita to call. I hope she's not angry. I'm actually feeling very bad, yeah, that I forgot about her birthday. I'm sorry, Mudita. It wasn't purposely, but yeah. I hope I'm looking good. My hair are not hairing at all. Like they are looking oily kind of. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with my hair for today. Okay. So okay, fine. Okay. So yeah, here's your birthday gift.
Thank you.
Okay, so there is like a huge struggle behind it, and
कळालं मला जेव्हा तू फोन केलेला ना, I could literally hear the traffic voice.
yeah.
I was like, okay, she's getting something.
So you see this.
Must. I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
I was like not sure whether you would like it or
I
not.
love the glitter.
Even I do. Like the color was like very unique. I have showed that. You should see the video, then you would get to know what was the struggle.
I'll see the video.
That's pretty. Like
Do you like bargain or something?
no. See this matching? Yeah.
Must.
You liked it?
So happy. I love it.
Thank God.
This video when I go home.
Yeah. There is a hydrating one also.
Yes.
I got the same for myself also.
Yes. Wow.
Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing.
So guys, after some shopping,
Yes.
in Linking Road, like we are broke. Some like
सब खत्म हो गया सब खत्म
वो देख के इतने broke हो गए लोग. So yeah guys, I am back and this is how I look after coming back. I'm super tired, like the day was quite tiring, and I'm having this. This is brownie which I got from there only. It's too good and I feel like everyone should go to that cafe. It's quite good. And linking जाओ और कुछ खरीदो ना. कुछ खरीदो ना. What? What I'm saying? Okay, fine. I'll just show you all what I got from there. Just a second. Okay, so I got this. Actually, this wasn't a planned shopping, but हो ही जाता है linking when you all just see so many stuff, then you all just end up buying some. So this is like a pink color ring, which is not actually coming up on the camera, and this is the purple ring. इसका कलर नहीं दिख रहा है, but yeah, they both look like super pretty. I'll show you all when I wear it. Wait a second. It's like this. So pretty. And the silver one. Silver color is my more favorite in jewelry. So this viral like trending weave, and I don't know why, but everyone has it, and I just thought that why not. And this is like quite unique. This is this one. It has a screw wala design, like ऐसा लग रहा है कि you have like bended the screw and made this. It's quite funky and I loved it. Everything was for 50, so total 200. But yeah, also one more stuff, which was a kurti. This was like a very random pick. I just love the color. I think that it was like a very eye-catchy kind of stuff that I was going to find a rickshaw for coming back, and I saw this and I was like, I want this. So yeah, this is very pretty, and now I'll just take some rest.